Hello class. In this video we are going to write a program named moveEstimatorGUI that prompts a user for a number of hours for a moving job and the number of miles involved in the move. After the user clicks a button, display a moving fee, which includes a base rate of 200 plus 150 per hour and $2 per mile. So let's go ahead and create a new project. Windows format. We're going to name this Move Estimator GUI. Create. Okay, so we're going to have a button, and I'm just going to change the text to calculate cost. There we go. And we're going to have a label here, and I'm going to change this label, not the name, change the label text to enter the hours. Okay, and I'm going to have a text box under here, and I'm going to have another label, put it over here, and the text on that one is going to be the miles. So enter the miles. Put the text box underneath this one. Calculate. And then we're going to have a label down here that's going to say, I'm just going to put output here. Output for label 3. Okay, so we have the hours, we have the miles. Let's go ahead and double click our button so we can get to our code. And in this button, we're going to have a few things. We're going to have a constant double for base, and that is going to equal $200 for every move. We're going to have a constant double. We're going to have an hourly, and that is 150 per hour. What else did they say? $2 per mile. All right, and then we're going to have a constant double, and we're going to have a mileage, and that's going to equal 2. And we're going to calculate how much this is going to cost. So we're going to have an integer for hours, and that hours is going to equal convert dot to double, and that is going to be whatever is in the text box. That's going to be text box 1. Okay, text box 1 dot text. Convert dot to double text box 1. That should work. All right, we're going to have another int, and this is going to be for the miles, and that's going to equal convert dot, oh, that's why I had an int, not double, int 32. There we go. Convert dot to int 32 text box 2 dot text. So we're looking at the miles, looking at the hours. So now we have the hours, now we have the miles, and we're going to have the a double for the mile cost, or let's do hours first. Hour cost, and that's going to be the hours multiplied by hourly. We're going to have a double for the mile cost, and that's going to equal the miles multiplied by the mileage. And then we're going to have a total cost, and the total cost is going to equal the base plus the hour cost plus the mile cost. Now I forgot to put a double over here. So now we have our total cost. So now let's go ahead and do our next label. So label 3, our output, is where we're going to do all this stuff. So we're going to have label 3 dot text is going to equal, and we're just going to do something really simple, just double quote, and we're going to say the total cost of your move is, and we're going to come outside, do a plus, and we're going to say total cost and semicolon. So label 3 is expecting a string, and you cannot concatenate a string with a double, so we have to change this double to a dot to string. And I'm also going to put a double quote and a C to change it to currency. And I misspelled label. That's probably why it's not liking me. Let's go ahead and run this program. Calculate cost. Oh, something happened. All right, int hours. Let's see. The input string was not the correct format. Oh, I didn't type anything in. Hours, let's do 5 miles is 14. And there we go. All right, let me know if you have any questions over this exercise, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.